In this video, we will discuss the ability of lawn and garden landscaping to completely change a space and how CLR facility services can assist you in creating an outside area that is genuinely unique. The effect of gardening. Frequently, your business's exterior is the first thing that customers notice. In addition to adding to the aesthetic appeal, a thoughtfully planned and well-kept landscape also exudes professionalism and concern. It fosters a welcoming environment that may affect how a visitor views your company. Establishing a calm ambience. Your staff and clients can benefit from the tranquil escape that lawn and garden landscaping can provide in addition to its aesthetic appeal. Strategically positioned vegetation and lounging spots can offer a peaceful respite from the everyday chaos, fostering worker well-being and augmenting the guest experience. Encouragement of sustainability. Water-efficient irrigation systems and xeriscaping are two examples of sustainable landscaping techniques that can help you save resources and lessen your environmental impact. In addition to saving you money, CLR Facility Services is dedicated to providing environmentally responsible landscaping options that help create a more sustainable and greener future. Customized resolutions. Since every business site is different, your landscaping should showcase your unique style. Personalized landscaping solutions cater to your unique requirements and tastes are available from CLR Facility Services. Whether your style is more formal or more laid-back and organic, we collaborate closely with you to make your idea a reality. Upkeep and attention. Reaching an amazing landscape is just the start. Maintaining its beauty demands consistent upkeep and attention. At CLR Facility Services, our staff is committed to making sure that your outdoor area is in top shape all year round. We can handle everything from pest treatment and irrigation management to mowing and pruning, increasing the worth of your assets. Putting money into expert lawn and garden landscaping can raise the value of your property in addition to improving its appeal right away. A well-kept landscaping has long-term benefits that increase the marketability of your home. In summary, here at CLR Facility Services, we recognize how important lawn and garden landscaping is to making a great first impression and establishing a welcoming atmosphere. Our staff is dedicated to providing custom landscaping solutions that uphold sustainability, showcase your personality, and guarantee the continuous attractiveness of your outside areas. Thank you so much for watching. Please share your ideas and outcomes in the comment box below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more incredible videos like this one.